welcome to my YouTube channel. So today let's create a quick beginner friendly makeup look, and it is also budget friendly. Let me just tie my hair first. Okay, so just now I wash my face and just apply some lip balm. This one is from Plum Candy Melts in the shade Berry Feast. It is so good. Okay, so मैंने कुछ नहीं बस मेरा फेस वॉश किया है अभी. First let's apply a moisturizer. Today I'm using Emolene cream. It's basically a pharmaceutical product, so this is the one. You can see I have used many. Just now I got it. Okay, so let me just quickly apply it. You can just, it is so good. Sticky नहीं करेगा, एकदम light रखेगा. You can see it feels like plumpy. Yeah. Okay, so next I'm using Sugar's Pore Minimizing Primer. So if you want a seamless effect, just add a little bit. So, and make sure that you are applying it on your T-zones. Yeah, mainly on your T-zones. That's all. So now it is done. So next step is foundation, obviously. So what I do is, if I'm going for a glowy makeup, okay, I used to mix a little bit of moisturizer in it. So this is one drop, right? Yeah. And what I will do is, I'll add a little bit of Emolene. You can even use any Lumi cream like Lakme का आता है या फिर MAC का strobe cream आता है. So let's now just mix it a bit. Okay, so I need a mirror now. So let me just apply it over my face. Okay, I will use a, okay, and don't forget your neck. This is my beauty blender. ये मैंने बस गीला किया and then I just, so now just blend it. Never drag it, just dab, 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 dab. Never ever forget your neck. So you can see like it looks like skin but a better version. So next I'll be doing my brows. So it is broken. This is Miss Claire eyebrow cake. I'll be using a brown and a black shade to match my brows. Okay, so this is what I like doing. I mean, I don't do much brows, but okay, so it is looking good. Okay, so next we'll do is this. Okay, so this is how my eyebrows look like now. That we'll be using a little bit of concealer as well. So I'm using Maybelline's Fit Me concealer in the shade 20 Sand. Very little, very. Otherwise मुक्की क्यों ज़्यादा मुझे पसंद नहीं है. Okay, so what I'll do next is क्या करना next? I'll just quickly powder it. Yeah, the whole base. So next what we have is, okay, so now let's do eye makeup. So I'm using Cosmetics in the shade Truffles. Okay, so I basically use these two brushes. This one is PE22 from Pro Art and this one is also from Pro Art, PE23. So what I'll do is light brown shade and I'll just put it all over the lid. Okay, now what I'll quickly do is, with the same blending brush, I'll just take this darker brown shade. I'll just quickly put it over here. I mean, ये either end पे. Yeah. Okay, done. And then I'll quickly just blend it out. Okay, कुछ तो गिर गया यार इधर. So base eyeshadow is done. So I'll take this metallic rose shade from. Okay, so this one is from Sugar Blend the Rules eyeshadow palette in the shade 08 Reflection. So what I'll do, I'll just take my this finger, little bit of it, okay, and then this dab. I'll just do this. It will give a very, what do we call it, the sheen effect. Yeah, it is looking pretty. See, so next step is, what do we call that, eyeliner. Okay, so here's my eyeliner. This one is from Mars Cosmetics ink black liquid eyeliner pen. I mean, it's very easy to use. Okay, if you are a beginner you can easily use it. Okay, so just quickly create a little wing. What I'll do is I will just make a small line. Okay, so one eye is done. Hopefully दूसरा भी same बनता है. Let me just quickly do my second eye. So next one is Kajal. Okay, so this is from Renee Cosmetics in the shade Midnight. This is a Kohl pencil. Okay, do like this. Okay, so this is done. So let's quickly do the another eye. Okay, so the eye makeup is almost done. Only mascara is left. Before using mascara, what I'll do, I'll just curl my lash. I'll just do it for 10 seconds, and every time I'll just press it a bit. Yeah, I mean, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, done. Okay, so next I'll apply is mascara. So this one is from Maybelline New York Hypercurl Waterproof Mascara. I'll just quickly go to my lashes. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Yeah, just coat it nicely. Okay, so let's quickly do my blush. So this one is from Just Hubs. It's a lip and cheek tint in the shade Rose Coral. Okay, and this one is from Love Earth. Shade name I don't know. I'll just put it in the description. Yeah. So what I'll quickly do is I will just take this. I'll just apply it on my cheekbones like this. Now I'll be using another one which is from Love Earth, right? Yeah. So what I'll just simply take a very little bit and I'll just put it over here. It will create a very nice ombre effect. Okay. So just blend it. Try to blend it with my fingers only. Yeah, done. So we have only lips left. So this lip liner from Nykaa Cosmetics in the shade Spice Girl. Let's line my lips. So next I will apply is this oil tint from Etude House. This is in the shade Real Cherry. I mean it's nice. Do it like this. I just love this effect. Oh my god, it looks so good. Don't need anything after this. I'm using my finger. Make sure everything is seamless. Yeah, it is looking good. Okay, so last we have is makeup fixer. This one is from Faces Canada Ultimate Pro Makeup Fixer. Put it all on my face. Wait for 10 seconds. 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I'll just use my same beauty blender and just dab everything in so that it looks so all set. Okay, so let me just quickly wear some earrings. So this is how my makeup turned out. So I hope you like my content and do like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to share it, and you can also follow me on Instagram. I have kept my Instagram handle in the description box. Thank you for today. Bye.